Hi guys, it's Beth. Welcome to my channel, Bourbon Creek Crafts. Today I am sharing with you the cards I made for the 10 on the 10th card collaboration, which is hosted by Kim from Metal Scrap and Chick. And basically you are making Christmas cards all throughout the year so that at Christmas time you're not having to rush and get them made and get them sent out. This month I had pulled out I had a handful of papers that all coordinated, and they were like this kind of like chalky black and white color and like various patterns. And so I had 6 sheets. I pulled those out and decided to play with those this month. And I decided to use a mini slimline card base, and so I used the Tall and Skinny sketch. It's Mojo Monday sketch number 360, kind of as my inspiration. And then I also pulled out some tags I had in my stash. I'd used some of them, but I had enough left to do 10 cards in this style. So I did bring in a solid red or green mat to use as kind of like the card mat, and then I have a layer of the pattern paper, and then I have my tag. And I just added a bow up here to cover the like opening that was on the tag. And then on this particular design, I added a season's greetings sentiment. And this one's got like a lot of glitter shine to it. And then on the insides of all the cards with the strips, some of the strips I had left after cutting everything down, I just added, it's a pretty wide strip, and so I added it to this side of the card just so I didn't have to cut it down. I could use the whole strip. So I have 5 of this design with the reindeer glitter tag, and each has a different pattern behind it. And then I have 5 with this like shiny green tag. And since this one since it said jingle all the way, I just went ahead and counted that as my sentiment for this one, so I did not add a separate sentiment strip. I did add a red bow on these, and these have the red mat since the tag itself was green. And again, there's just 5 variations based on the pattern papers. So I kind of made some other projects with the papers, and it still had some pieces left, and so I managed to make a couple more cards. So this, I stayed with that mini slimline card base, and I took some of the scraps of the cardstock that I had and pieced red and green together to get a full card mat. And then this is about the same size of strip that I was using on these, but the orientation was going horizontal. So I just turned these into like a horizontal card. And here I was trying to use up some of the chipboard stickers that I had. So Happy Holidays is a chipboard sticker, and then I brought in this little kind of puppy Santa. It's a Dollar Tree sticker. And on these, again, I was trying to use up those thicker strips, so they went on the top part of the card. Here's another chipboard sticker for my sentiment, and then another Dollar Tree puppy Santa. And then this time I also added a little candy cane and ornament from that same Dollar Tree sheet. And then I had some little strips left, and then I had used these tags. I had finished these tags off on another project that I had made using this paper. And so I had one left, and so I decided to put him on this card. And then I again had pieced together a card mat with the red and green cardstock pieces, and then added my 3 strips of pattern paper that I had left on the front. Have my tag, and then I brought in 2 of those Dollar Tree puppy stickers just to kind of bring in some more color, some more detail, since the front of the card was kind of plain. And then I just have that on the inside of that card. So I used up the 6 sheets of paper that I had pulled out between these cards and some of the other projects that I did. And then I also finished off 2 packages of gift tags that I had in my Christmas embellishment stash. So I feel pretty good about all of that this month. And I got some more Christmas cards made and some other Christmas projects done. So I hope you will check out the other participants listed in the description box below and see what kind of Christmas cards they made this month. And you are always welcome to follow along with us each month and make your own Christmas cards to get yourself set up and ready to go come Christmas card season. Thank you guys so much for your time today, and hope you're all having a very crafty day.